You can expect a lot from the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.